Ready to learn more about the notary public side hustle? Let's get started. A notary public, notary, or signing agent is an official job that requires being given a limited time commission by the U.S. state where the notary resides. Every state has its own requirements for notaries. Generally, a person must be at least 18 years old, a legal state resident, and have no criminal record. There are states that may require applicants to be fluent in reading and writing English. Some states may allow people who reside in neighboring states to become notaries. To become a notary, you must apply through the designated state agency. Be aware that an application fee is also required, and you may have to pay for notary training and exams as well. This cost also varies by state, and your total monetary investment can range from less than $100 to several $100s. Notaries serve an important function for the state by notarizing various types of important documents to ensure they are protected from fraud and identity theft. Once a document is notarized, it is legally recognized by the state. Documents needing notarization can come from county governments, financial institutions, law offices, insurance agencies, local employers, medical clinics, and hospitals. Because of the volume of documents being processed, on any given day, there's a need for a notary. Do you have to go through a background check? It depends on the state. Some states require one for a notary application and others do not. Even if your state doesn't require one for most applicants, it will require one for applicants who indicate on the application that they have a felony or misdemeanor conviction from the past. Also, should you choose to become a notary signing agent, this designation requires a separate background check. Which states require notary training? If you live in California, Colorado, Florida, Missouri, Montana, Nevada, North Carolina, Ohio, Oregon, or Pennsylvania, you must take a training course and pass it in order to be a notary. In Delaware, training is only required if you plan on being an electronic notary, meaning you are going to be notarizing electronic documents. Even if your state doesn't require training, taking a training course or learning more about how to be a good notary voluntarily can help you become a sought-after professional in this field. Which states require passing a notary exam? A majority of states do not require you to take and pass a notary exam. However, if you live in California, Colorado, Connecticut, Hawaii, Louisiana, Maine, Montana, Nebraska, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oregon, or Utah, you must take the exam. Residents of Wyoming are not required to take the exam, but the state encourages taking it. The notary exam typically lasts for about an hour, and the state may require exam participants to get fingerprinted. Your state may require you to get a surety bond. This is a bond that protects your clients should you make a mistake that results in damages. Bond amounts can be as low as $500 and as high as $25,000. On average, required bonds range from $5,000 to $10,000. You don't have to pay the entire bond amount up front. Instead, you pay anywhere from 1% to 15% of the bond amount to the bond issuing company as a premium. 30 states and the District of Columbia require surety bonds. Your state's notary information will state whether this is a requirement or not. Length of notary term. On average, a notary term is 4 years. However, this too can differ by state, and some terms last for 5 years while others may last as long as 10 years. If you want to remain a notary beyond the term period, you should follow directions for commission renewal. There are two types of notaries: stationary and mobile. The difference between the two is that stationary notaries work out of their home or an office or perform this service as part of their current job. Clients must come to the notary's location to have documents notarized. Mobile notaries travel to the client's location to notarize documents. For practical purposes, becoming a mobile notary allows you to have more flexibility, work part-time or full-time as you desire, and cover a wider service area. Also, mobile notaries make more money because travel expenses can be added to fees. The most lucrative types of notarizing gigs for the mobile notary are real estate loan transactions and mortgage signings. If you're interested in notarizing documents for the real estate industry, you must first be certified as a notary signing agent. This requires additional education, but it may be worthwhile if you live in a hot real estate market. How much can you earn as a self-employed notary? Depending on where you live, you can make anywhere from over $55,000 per year to over $85,000 per year. Part-time mobile notaries can make from over $500 per month to over $1,000 per month. Full-time mobile notaries can make over $2,000 per month to over $4,000 per month. Earnings also depend on experience. Tips: when starting out, you are going to have to build your business one client at a time. Creating a website, social media page, business cards, promotional pens, and flyers are marketing strategies that can make it easier for people to find out about your services. Here are some other easy marketing ideas. Add your profile to notary promotion sites such as signingagent.com. Meet local business owners by attending local Chamber of Commerce events. Visit local law offices, banks, loan companies, and real estate agents. Introduce yourself and give them free promotional pens to use and give away to their customers or clients. Offer free notary services to your local high school athletics clubs, veterans organizations, and any other nonprofits that may need your services. Sponsor or co-sponsor local identity theft or financial seminars. Or partner with a local financial institution to set up a community document shredding day. This information can be used anytime you're ready to start a successful side hustle. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.